It is said that there is a young prince wanting to marry a girl with high morals, high literature, and simplicity. He ordered the announcement in which he asked every girl wishing to be the prince's bride to come to the palace the next day at exactly 8 a.m. The next day, the girls who came to marry in the palace square were all in their cheerful uniforms. The prince stood in front of the girls and called them out, telling them that he would hold a contest between them and that the winner of the competition would be crowned queen on his throne. He said he would give each girl a sink to plant the plant of his choice, and asked each girl to take care of these seeds in her own way, but all girls alike should return to the same square as the royal palace a month from now. The girls took pots to plant seeds and left the arena stunned by the young prince's bizarre contest. A girl among the girls was very beautiful and her name was Maria, and she continued to irrigate the seed she took from the prince and took care of her seriously, but noticed that she did not grow during the month. I decided not to go the day I promised, because her seed didn't grow. But her aunt's confidence convinced her that she should go to the palace, especially because she made every effort to take care of that seed. Indeed, Maria went to the palace with the empty sink, and was so embarrassed to see the colorful and beautiful pots formed by the girls in various forms, so she took a cry and wanted to go home, but the minister was walking around the palace square and saw her trying to get out of there, and asked her to get on the stage until she met the prince. Maria was surprised by the minister's request, but she responded to the request and took a turbulent step towards the podium. The prince had asked his minister to supply each girl with a basin and a rotten plant seed. So he could see what the girls were going to do to her, but all the girls replaced the prey with another in order to win the competition except the only girl Maria did not, because her aunt prevented her from doing something contrary to the values she was planting, and she kept the sink the same. The prince then announced that Maria was the winner of the competition, asking for her hand to marry to the surprise of all the girls.